8 large eggs into some boiling water according to the recipe, and okay, let's go ahead and lower the heat and simmer for, I guess we'll simmer. I think I'm going to make it about 4 minutes because we're going to bring it down to about, to maybe about 4 minutes. Simply because the water wasn't completely boiling, you know? Yeah. Okay. So let me go ahead and turn. I boiled the eggs like it said in the recipe. I also squeezed some fresh lemon juice. Let me check and see if this looks like it's... you want the eggs to be soft boiled, so let me check. Yeah, they are soft boiled, so I did good. So what I'm going to do right now is take all the shells off and then just stick them in here, and then I'm going to chop them up to get ready for the egg salad sandwich with spinach. Chopped up the eggs, and now what I'm going to do is finely chop up these scallions. I only need a 1/4 cup, but I'm going to do them all because I think I'm going to make like seconds and thirds of this recipe. This is about 1 cup of chopped spinach, so we'll go ahead and throw that in here. We're just going to put all the ingredients in here. Approximately 1/4 cup of throw all the eggs in here. I would say about 1/4 cup of this. I'm going to guesstimate this now. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll put in the rest of the ingredients and then mix them all together and assemble my sandwich. Okay, they're all assembled here except for the salt and the pepper. Let's mush it all together here. There's plenty of salt in the mayonnaise, so I just added a little bit of pepper. Now let's put it on the bread. Okay, I'm going to cut it with a bread knife. Let me turn this off for right now. I used Ezekiel bread, but this would be better with regular bread. But it's not bad. It would have been perfect if I used regular bread, but I'll go ahead and use up the Ezekiel bread. You say, why did you use Ezekiel bread? Well, because it has a lot of nutrition that I thought would be helpful for wound healing right now. But, you know, I probably could have done just as good with something like oat bread, you know. But it's good. So I'll go ahead and post this at my cooking channel. So there it is. It's actually quite tasty, and it'll give me a good protein boost for wound healing. Regular bread next time.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking